So guys, for the first method, if you're using an external webcam, make sure that it's actually plugged in. For the second method, you want to unplug your camera and then plug it back in again. See if that works. For the third method, you want to click on your computer name, which will highlight it. Now you want to click on Action and then click on Scan for hardware changes. See if that works. For the next method, you want to click on Action and then click on Add Legacy Hardware. And then click on Next. Select the first option and then click on Next, which is now going to do a scan. If it found anything, it's going to add it for you. If that's still not working, you want to click on Next and then select Cameras and then click on Next. If you see your camera model right here in this list, then you want to select it, click on Next, follow through the steps, and you can then add it. For the next method, you want to click on View and then click on Show Hidden Devices. See if it's showing now. For the next method, maybe your camera has some drivers you need to install online. So just type in your camera manufacturer name on the internet and then type in camera drivers. If you can find it, then you want to install it. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now you want to restart your computer. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.